Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Class 8th Science Workshop of Lesson number 2 Health and Diseases. If you are not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to get notification of new video, and don't forget to comment. Your comment is my inspiration. Question 1. Distinguish between infectious and non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are spread through contaminated air, water, food, blood, body fluids, or vectors. Non-infectious diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reasons. Infectious diseases occur due to infectious agent that enter the human body. Non-infectious diseases do not occur through infections and body contact with infected individuals. Infectious diseases, community hygiene and cleanliness can reduce the risk of such diseases. Lifestyle changes like physical exercise and food habits can reduce the risk of some of these non-infectious diseases. Example of infectious diseases: common cold, flu, dengue, etc. Example of non-infectious diseases: diabetes, heart disease, cancer, etc. Question 2. Identify the odd term. Malaria, hepatitis, elephantiasis, dengue. The odd one is hepatitis. Hepatitis is caused by virus spread through contaminated water or blood, whereas the rest are caused by virus spread through mosquito vector. Plague, AIDS, cholera and TB. The odd one is AIDS. AIDS is caused by a virus, whereas the rest are caused by bacterial pathogens. Question 3. Answer in 1 to 2 sentences. A. Which are various media of spreading the infectious diseases? The various media of spreading infectious diseases are contaminated air, water, food, blood, and other body fluids or vectors like insect and other animals. B. Give the names of 5 non-infectious diseases other than given in the lesson. Arthritis, asthma, cataract, cystic fibrosis, Alzheimer's disease, etc. Which are the main reasons of diabetes and heart disease? Some causes of diabetes: hereditary factors, obesity, lack of physical exercise, and mental stress. Causes of heart disease: smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, hereditary factors, mental stress, anxiety, and anger are some factors that predispose an individual to having heart diseases. Question 4. What can be achieved or can be prevented? Drinking boiled and filtered water. It can help to prevent infectious diseases that are spread through contaminated water. Avoiding smoking and alcoholism. It can help reduce risk of certain health problems like cancer, heart disease, liver failure, diabetes, etc. It can also reduce the frequency of illness. Regular balanced diet and exercise. It can prevent non-infectious diseases like diabetes, certain cancers, heart diseases, etc. Proper checking of blood before blood donation. It can help in preventing the spread of infectious diseases like AIDS, hepatitis, etc. that occur through transfusion using infected blood. Question 5. Read the passage and answer the questions. Master X is a 3-year-old child. He is living with his family in a slum. Public toilet is present near his house. His father is a drunkard. His mother does not know the importance of balanced diet. A. Master X can suffer from which different possible diseases in above condition? Master X can suffer from various infectious and non-infectious diseases based on the given conditions. He is prone to food and waterborne diseases that may occur due to the public toilet present near his house. He is also prone to vector-borne diseases like malaria, dengue, based on the sanitization condition in the slums. Also, due to his mother, he is prone to fall sick more often and is at a higher risk of diseases like diabetes, heart problems, etc. in future. How will you help him and his family in this situation? Master X and his family need to be made aware of various hygiene like keeping food covered, washing hands properly with soap and water, boiling water before drinking, etc. They should be advised about adopting of healthy lifestyle which includes proper exercise, avoiding alcohol, etc. Which disease can occur to the father of Master X? The father of Master X is at a higher risk of suffering from heart diseases and some form of cancer due to his high consumption of alcohol. Question 6. Give the preventive measures of following diseases. Dengue. Remove mosquito habitats. Use pesticides to control population of mosquitoes vectors. Use structural barriers to cover doors, windows to prevent exposure to mosquitoes. Avoid getting bitten by mosquitoes by wearing long-sleeved clothes. Cancer. Timely or regular screening for cancers in case of high-risk patients. This can help gain better control of the tumor by taking timely action. Taking vaccinations available for certain cancers. Adopting healthy lifestyle choices like reducing smoking, tobacco, and alcohol consumption. Healthy dietary modifications regular physical activity, and maintenance of body weight, avoiding direct exposure to sunlight. AIDS. Individuals can reduce the risk of HIV infection by limiting exposure to risk factors like unsafe sex, use of only sterile syringe and medical equipments, testing of blood in blood banks, etc. are some measures that can be used to prevent the transmission of AIDS. Question 7. Explain the importance. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains low amount of unnecessary fats and sugars and high level of vitamins, minerals and other nutrients that help maintain or improve overall health. A balanced diet can help maintain healthy weight, provide energy, reduce the risk of serious illness, and promote good health. Physical exercise or yogasanas. Regular physical exercise or practicing yogasanas can help reduce mental stress and calm a person. It helps achieve a healthy mind in a healthy body. Physical exercise can reduce the risk of illness like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease and boost our health. Question 8. Make a list. Viral diseases. HIV, AIDS, herpes, Ebola, influenza, hepatitis, common cold, chickenpox, dengue, smallpox, polio, etc. Bacterial diseases. Cholera, diphtheria, leprosy, typhoid, tetanus, whooping cough, plague, etc. Diseases spread through insects. Chikungunya, dengue, yellow fever, Zika, malaria, sleeping sickness, plague, etc. Hereditary diseases. Thalassemia, hemophilia, high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, obesity, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome. Question 9. Write the information on modern diagnostics and treatments of cancer. Modern diagnostic techniques like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography enable timely detection of cancers. Conventional treatment method like chemotherapy, radiation therapy and surgery supplemented with modern techniques like robotic and laparoscopic surgery give better chances of treating cancers. Question 10. Enlist the names and composition of medicine present at your home. Medicine and composition. Pan-D. Its composition pantoprazole and domperidone. Rantac. Its composition ranitidine. Paracetamol capsule. Its composition paracetamol. Crocin Advance. Its composition paracetamol. Cyclopam. Its composition hydrochloride, paracetamol, dicyclomine. Dispirin. Its composition aspirin. Metacin. Its composition paracetamol. So friends, thanks.